Hello again, SLA students. This is just a quick tutorial on how to make your appendix entries. What you're going to need for this, if you're not familiar with the snipping tool, is you're going to need your snipping tool. It looks like a pair of scissors if you haven't seen one before, or you could go to your magnifying glass if you're using Windows and you just want to search. Oh, mine is right there in my top apps because I use it all the time. But if I don't know, I could just type it in there. Snip, oh, there it is. And then I can click that, and boom, it opens. So here's my snipping tool. And let's say I would like to capture that summarizing interaction for my SLA and the RSLP SLA midterm. And I click New. Boom, I've highlighted the relevant part. Sorry, I have snipped the relevant part. Now I want to highlight the most relevant parts with my little highlighter tool, which I click here. And I go, oh, that's about summarizing. This is where the summarizing pair work interaction starts, and then I'm going to highlight what the students do also. Bada bing, bada boom. And then I'll just save it. Save as appendix C, for example, and then I'll go into my SLA and the RSLP template, and I will just, oh, that's not it. I will go wherever I'm going to go in the SLA and the RSLP template. For example, right here, and at the bottom of what I've written, I will just say, okay, now I have appendix C, for example. Appendix C. And I'll make it nice and bold because I want it to stand out as an appendix label. Little boom, boom, boom. And now I'm going to go to image, upload from my computer, appendix C, there it is. Okay, now what I have here is okay, but I don't want my teacher to hurt his eyes or anything. I'm going to make it bigger, like that. That's a little better. There we go. That looks pretty good. You can see it from a distance. You don't have to magnify it or anything. If you want to get fancy, let's make a border. Up here, 1 point, bada bing, bada boom. Alright, so that's how you can just snip from your RSLP or PSLP and put it right in this Google Doc. Thanks so much for watching.